Yo, what's up everybody? It's Stefan here from Mod to Fame, and we are back with another video. Remember I made that video about Hellcat engines going away in 2024? Well, they might be replaced with a 6-cylinder. Anyway, let's jump into it. Let's go. Big news, boys. Big news, man. It appears to me. Well, first off, let's start from the beginning, man. Dodge, 2 years ago, filed a patent for what is the GME T6, or the Tornado, whatever it is that you want to call it. But the code name is GME T6. And what that is an inline 6-cylinder turbo engine. This is big, especially since you know that they're trying to do away with the V8s and Hellcats, right? So we know the 6.2 is going bye-bye as of 2024. But as of 2023, they are dropping this GME T6, this inline 6-cylinder turbo engine. Now, could it replace the Hellcat engine? Hard to say. And the reason why I say that is because the power range that they are projecting is from 360 up to 525 horsepower. That range is not Hellcat range, right? Doing away with the Hellcat, they're going to full electric, or at least that's what they lead us to believe, that they're going to full electric. Are they going full electric? Or could they be looking to combine this inline 6-cylinder turbo engine with an electric engine, or 2 electric engines for a hybrid? That is the unknown. But let's talk about what is known. What is this for? In my opinion, what this means is they're going to do away with the Pentastar V6 for sure. That is in everything. That is in your Chargers, your Challengers, your Jeeps, your Durangos, your every car pretty much has this V6 Pentastar option from Dodge. It is the entry-level engine option, and honestly, it's a pretty good engine. It's a strong motor. However, going to this inline 6-cylinder turbo, more than likely the engine will probably be smaller. It's going to be more fuel efficient. In addition to that, it's going to make more power, and it's definitely going to make more torque, because turbo engines make torque. Trust me when I tell you, I own a twin turbo Hellcat. Torque monster once that wall of boost comes in. That means definitely the Pentastar V6, but they said it's going to go up to 525 horsepower. So now that steps on the toes of not only the 5.7, I can tell you the 5.7 is going to be done for. This is coming out in 2023, and I'm pretty sure the next announcement is that they're going to do away with the 5.7 liter HEMI. It's coming. Trust me when I tell you, because there is no need for that motor when this one starts at 360 horsepower and the 5.7 is 370. And like my Widebody Charger RT that you can win, by the way. As a matter of fact, check this out. Guys, you got the perfect opportunity in life. Opportunities in life don't always come up like this, where you could win this Dodge Charger RT wide body, custom purple color, custom white stripes, custom interior, everything done in best part of all, free and clear. You get the keys and the title. All you got to do is visit modtofame.com. Every $5 spent gets you an entry to win. So you buy a hoodie like this, that's a lot of entries. But visit modtofame.com. Don't miss out on your chance to win. This thing is absolutely bananas, but we actually call it Big Purp. So make sure you enter to win Big Purp right now on modtofame.com. This is now stepping on the toes of Scat Packs. And here's what is scary. If you're a Scat Pack guy and you love your 6.4, here's why I think you're going to be done for too. The Scat Pack is an amazing engine. 6.4, 485 horsepower. Great package, right? In factory form. However, if you want to make another 80 wheel horsepower in that Scat Pack, you have to drop a cam in that thing. You got to go full bolt on. You got to go to E85. You got to do a lot to pick up 80 to 100 wheel horsepower. Now, on the flip side, every inline turbo engine we know, you can pick up 80 wheel horsepower from a tune alone. Just a tune. Look at all the BMWs that are inline 6 with a turbo. Look at the Supra. 2JZ. We know the deal. They pick up 80 to 100 horsepower with a tune, because all it's doing is commanding more fuel and more boost from the turbo, because the wastegates are electronically activated. So therefore, there is absolutely no comparison when it comes to modifying and picking up power NA versus turbo. No comparison at all. The 6.4, bye-bye, 100%. So it seems like the lineup is going to be either 6-cylinder turbo or full electric, or 6-cylinder turbo along with some sort of a hybrid electric engine. Because if you think about it, if you can make 525 horsepower from the motor, right? And then you combine 2 electric motors, because Teslas, just look at the Plaid. The Plaid has 3 engines, right? Or not 3 engines, 3 motors. So if you can put 2 motors, let's say, on the front to make it all-wheel drive, and if you can put the inline 6-cylinder powering the rear wheels, I mean, that's 1,000 horsepower right there. That's 1,000 horsepower all-wheel drive combination that would be absolutely deadly. So the future doesn't look good for big V8s, and we knew this was coming, right? We knew it was coming. There was nothing we could do to avoid it. However, as far as performance, Dodge was right when they said that they pushed it as far as they could possibly go using internal combustion engines, or ICE is what we like to call it as car guys. They pushed it as far as it could go. It ain't gonna go no more than 840 horsepower that you've seen in the Demon with a race PCM. Out of an internal combustion engine, it's not gonna get much greater than that. So therefore, the only way to take it to the next level is electric as far as performance. I would be excited to see some sort of a hybrid, because then you'd still have the sound. Look at the Ford GT. The technology is there. The rule of thumb is all there. So the thing about that I'm most excited about is that it's not an NA motor. It is a turbo motor. So that means for modifications, it's going to be endless what you'll be able to do. As far as power you'll be able to make, more than likely it's going to have a forged bottom end, because if they're going to push 525 horsepower out of what's probably going to be a 3-liter 6-cylinder or something close to that, it's going to have some strong pistons and rods in it. I'll give you an example. Right now, my twin turbo Hellcat runs on E85 most of the time on the street. It's winter. I don't like keeping E85, and I park it for weeks at a time during the winter. So I don't like storing it with E85. It corrodes the rubber seals. It could corrode the rubber seals in the fuel system, and it could mess up or clog up injectors. So therefore, what I like to do is I like to run 93 in the winter, because I know I'm going to park the car for long periods of time. Because I have a turbo engine, I can run E85, 93, race gas, and all I'm required to do is change my boost settings. That's it, right? That's what makes it so amazing. Right now, I'm actually going to go, and I'm going to take you with me. We're going to go put 93 in my twin turbo Hellcat, and I'm going to show you how fast it is still on 93. And that's all thanks to turbos. My car makes upwards of 900 wheel horsepower. So there's no stock blower Hellcat that does that on 93 safely. Not possible. But anyway, come on with me. Let's check it out. That's all I got for the GME T6, which I'm assuming is going to be coming in 2023. The patent was filed in 2019, so it's been around. This has been news for a while. But, you know, thanks to news outlets like Stel Power for giving us this latest update to say that this is coming, this is happening. There's no avoiding it. Be on the lookout for the 6-cylinder turbo Charger, Challenger, or any other rear-wheel drive based vehicle. All right, guys, so one of the main things you want to do when you're about to store your car for a few weeks in the winter is take out all that E85. So getting rid of E85, going on 93. Good thing is this car is still very fast on 93. I can make about 900 wheel still on 93. between 9 and 950, and that's on 93. So either way, I'm still good. It's just E85 make about 11, and on race gas even more.